Right, welcome to another video, guys. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're here to showcase Alligator Core. Now, this is another trading investment platform that does 5.5% to 6% every day for 30 days. Now, if you haven't seen my initial video of this platform where I went through the ins and outs of the platform, it should be on the right-hand side of your video now. Please take a look at that and give yourself full insights to this platform. Now, as far as this platform is concerned, this platform has been going for near enough a month, and it's been paying out consistently. It's obviously got a good dashboard, a good look to it. It's easy to use, and we're going to navigate my account as soon as possible. Now, guys, as you can see, they've obviously introduced a new compounding earn product, which is a new feature to the platform Alligator Core. And as they've written down here, we are happy to inform you about the launch of our compounding earn product, giving you more leverage and maximizing your earning over time. Kindly click the earn product page to explore the newest offer. So there you have it. Now, guys, so instead of having to continuously withdraw your profits and then redeposit your profits to reinvest, you're now able to use this compound earning product that will allow you to invest and compound your profits. Right, guys, so I've deposited 500 in this 5.5 package, and that's obviously going to run for 30 days. I get about 27 USDT 50 every day, and I withdraw that. I don't keep anything in the platform. I have done on this occasion for the last 3 days, so I will do a live withdrawal today. And another package that's available is the 6% package, slightly higher. The minimum is 2,500, which again is slightly higher than the minimum with the 5.5 package. So prepare to bump up your deposit if you were to join in this particular package. Now, you do have a 30-day period in which it will continuously pay. That's the length of time of the package. Withdrawals daily and so forth. Please do use this interest calculator to have a look at what your returns would be. Now, this is the new compounding earn package, which again is a bit higher. The minimum is 2,500. It says here the period is flexible. Withdraw at the end of a chosen duration, and of course your principal is included in your daily earnings. So guys, you are reducing your position every day with this platform. Now, this is one of the better paying platforms, guys. It has been paying consistently. It's been in the game for over a month now. These are the sort of platforms that mitigate your account being blown out of the water. We have experienced a few platforms rugging this week. This is why it is important to diversify. So when you do have a platform that's actually paying out, it keeps your crypto balance intact and continues the steady growth of your crypto account. Now, guys, if you are new to the channel, I'd like to say welcome to the channel. This is Crypto Earning Weapon, and this is where we showcase all the new DeFi projects and all the projects that I'm in, especially the ups and downs with regards to that and the investment that I'm making in these platforms. Now, we are a young channel and we are growing, so please, we do appreciate if you do like and subscribe in support of the channel. That would be much appreciated. Now, if you are interested in this platform, there is a link in the description. Feel free to join, sign up. You can do that for free, and you can do that within 2 minutes. Obviously, guys, do your due diligence, analyze them, make sure that the project is actually right for you and it's something that you are happy to pursue. Now, with that being said, let's get back into Alligator Core and do a live withdrawal. Right, folks, so if you have a look at the wallet area, this will break down your actual investment. So we do have 500 deposited. I've earned 302 in total, and I've been in here for about approximately a couple of weeks. Now, this is obviously my balance today, and I will be looking to withdraw that today. If you scroll down further, you'll see evidence of my withdrawals, 27.50 every day, all this completed. My last withdrawal was way back here, which was on the 29th of July. Right, guys, so let's do a withdrawal. So let's go over to the withdrawal area. Let that load. We can see our balance is 82.50. So let's choose our cryptocurrency. So we've always got USDT there, which is how I initially deposited 82.50. Let's pop in our wallet and let's click the withdraw button. So something looks to be happening there. Let's have a look. Okay, so it's working. So the balance is gone. The withdrawal is there. You've got your batch ID, which is very good. So everything looks to have gone fine. This should hit your account in about 4 or under 2, probably 2 hours or less. That's what I've sort of experienced. Right, guys, so I can confirm, guys, that looks like that's the Alligator Core story. Having a good start in the DeFi space so far. I'm very happy with how it's been doing its withdrawals. I've been going ahead very nicely. I've got no issues with that whatsoever. Now, guys, I would advise, please do put your 2FA for security if you do look to join. And again, if you do look to deposit, and if you did look to join this platform, you would just go to deposit. You would select your cryptocurrency. If it were USDT, you would put in the amount that you'd like to deposit. I think the minimum is 500. You would click copy, and this is the address that you take across to your wallet. and obviously you would send the funds to this address, and in no less than 20 minutes you should see your balance deposit up top, and then from there on in you're good to go. So guys, thank you for spending time with me on this video. This is your boy Crypto Weapon. Please stay safe, be careful, like and subscribe. All of that would be appreciated for our platform, and I'll absolutely, without a shadow of a doubt, see you in our next video. Thank you.